Hey everyone, this is Ron with Keller Williams Northeast Realty with the Ron and Jill Group here in sunny Phoenix, Arizona. I'm a 20-year military vet turned real estate agent now serving the greater Phoenix area. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the bell for notifications. I plan on pushing hard and posting multiple KW Command how-to videos every week. Now, let's get to the show. Alright everybody, let's go ahead and get started. And today's topic is going to be on entering in a task into KW Command. Now the task is a little bit different from the smart plan. For the task, it is something that could happen automatically or something you need to do for this particular client. So we're back in Joe Scruffy. We'll come over here on the top right. You'll see tasks. Go ahead and click on that. Now, right now he doesn't have any tasks assigned to him, so we're going to add one. So let's say that we already talked on the phone, everything's good to go, and we're going to meet up for lunch tomorrow over at Sauce in Norterra. So I'll put down meet for lunch. So this is not going to be an all-day event. We could go ahead and put down what time we're going to meet up with them at. So we're going to meet up at 12 p.m. And this will be for the next day, tomorrow. Enter task description. Meet up with Joe and Linda at Sauce. I don't believe they have any sauces over in the Texas area. So one of the things I could do is just come over here, drop in a hyperlink of, okay, here's the website for the place, and create a task. Okay, so right now this will show up as one of our tasks or one of the things we have to do with our contact within Command. Now also, if you come over here, the tasks, it shows up right here. Contacts associated with Joe Scruffy, meet up for lunch at Sauce. And of course, you'll get the notification in your Kelly as well. So not only are you going to see this on KW Command, you're also going to see this in your Kelly app, and it will give you the alarm. Alrighty, everybody. Hopefully you found this interesting, and please hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on the bell for notifications. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. We'll talk to you soon.